Hey, welcome to the first video on the channel where I make delicious recipes simple. Today I thought I'd show you how to make a flourless chocolate fudge cake with ganache. For the cake, make sure you got these ingredients on hand, and for the ganache, we'll just need chocolate chips and heavy cream. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees and prepping a round baking dish with oil. After you rub the sides down with oil, add a round piece of parchment to the bottom, and that'll allow it to not stick when we flip the cake later. First, put the butter and the chocolate chips in the microwave at intervals of 30 seconds at 50% power. The 50% power will keep the chocolate from burning. After the first time in the microwave, it should look like this. Put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and we'll see where we're at. So now the butter is completely melted, the chocolate is starting to dissolve in. Give it a good stir. Pour the chocolate into the mixer, followed by the sugar, the salt, and the vanilla. We're going to combine these ingredients at low to medium speed. After a little bit, stop the mixer, scrape the edge of the bowl, and bring it to the center. This will allow for a more even mixture throughout. Once again, low to medium power, and keep it stirring until it's all combined. Next, add the eggs to the mixture. Turn the mixer on to low to medium speed, and combine until it's silky smooth, stopping halfway through, and scrape. This is the texture you're looking for. It should be a lighter color, a little bit smoother than it was before. Now add the cocoa powder to the mixture and give it a stir just until combined. Don't overmix it. You'll notice a lot of cocoa powder sticks to the side in this step, so it's important to scrape the bowl and combine it evenly. Once all the ingredients are combined, transfer it into a baking dish and push the batter from the center to the edge. Once the surface is flat on the top, we are good to go. Put it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes until the top has a nice glossy finish like this. To check if the cake is complete, you will put a toothpick in the center. It should have just a little bit of crumb on there, but not too much. After about 10 minutes of cooling in the fridge, take a flat spatula or a knife, run it along the rim until you feel it release from the side, then put a large plate on the bottom of the pan. Flip the cake over and give the top a good tap. Set this aside in the fridge to cool and start working on the ganache. Start by measuring out the half cup in a microwave-safe dish. Toss it in the microwave for 15-second intervals until it starts to steam at the top. Combine it with the chocolate chips and give it a good stir. Then we're going to take the ganache and put it on top of the cake and smooth it out with a flat spatula. Once you got the ganache on top just how you like, pop it in the fridge for about 3 hours so it can fully set. If you don't want to wait, it'll still be good. It'll just be a little bit melty. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more future content.